Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So if you watched the last video on the RS4, this RS4, you'll see that he won the draggy race.
Who's he? Come on.
Ben.
Thanks.
Ben won the draggy race. 4.9 seconds. I did it in 4.94.
So I won.
Well, you did, but I won 2 of them, and then you won 1. So technically, I won.
Yeah, but I got the fastest time.
I got the best out of 3.
I got the fastest time though.
Well, you did, but I wasn't in it. I got 4.94 with you in it.
So I got 4.9 without you in it.
Yeah, so that means that I'm faster. I'm just going to pay for the breakfast and get it over and done with.
I'll wait for that. Tastes even better. Beautiful.
So happy you've had your breakfast now, you're winning breakfast.
Spot on that, thank you.
You're not getting another one, I'm winning next time.
We'll see.
So we bought the Switch, how much did it work out? 1662. So that was supposedly the job that was going to take, it was going to cost £200. So we've got a Volkswagen Switch by the looks of it, Volkswagen Group. Anyway, so we're going to put that in down there, Ben's going to put it in later, right down the bottom somewhere. Where does it go actually?
Underneath the, well, up like sort of...
What, down there?
Down there somewhere. I watched a YouTube video, it was about 4 minutes long, and about 3.5 minutes of it was a guy messing about in a garage in the dark. So I reckon it'll take about 30 seconds to a minute to change. Looks like it's a couple of screws, plug jack, and then it just sort of twists out of a little bracket. From what I saw in the video, so
save us 200. Well, save us the best part of 200 quid. Hopefully,
be dead easy
that's
for
the fault. As you can see there, the engine light has come back. So this is part of the fix of that engine light. Well, it's one of them anyway. So we'll see if that works. And we don't even know the road's closed, even though we've been down here loads of times. Where are you going?
Who, me? I can't get around there, can I?
I don't know.
No, I've got to turn right here and go up to the motorway.
Anyway, if we
I'm going to yours, aren't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got to turn right here.
It's a bit overkill.
What? Do some work on the car, aren't I? Got to make sure that I've got all the gear.
It's not woodwork though, is it? What are you actually doing?
Well, we've got to change the clutch switch, haven't we? Thought I'd get myself tooled up.
But you only need that. So you don't need the belt, do you?
No, I'm not sure.
Stop pissing around.
I'm not sure this will work.
It's supposed to be serious, this.
Well, I am serious.
I mean, this needs fixing because it's annoying. Revving up.
Really annoying.
It's like you can't drive. Well, you can't drive going off the...
4.9, let me just put that out.
Yeah, but I can do it with 2 people in it.
You did 4.94 with 2 people in it.
Yeah.
That tells you how slight and slender I am. I don't want to hear it. Right, where are your tools?
That's all you need.
No, it's not. I need like a socket.
Are you joking?
No. Have you got some?
No.
Have you actually not got any sockets?
No. I'm not garage, you know. Do you think it is? Quick fit?
I thought everyone had sockets. So I've seen quite a few of these YouTube videos on this clutch switch change. It looks fairly simple to do, so I'm going to give it a go myself. There was a chap who'd done probably a 4 or 5 minute long video, and then the actual changing of the switch took him about 30 seconds, if that. So I'm going to have a crack at it myself. I've already got some of the panels off, just because I think it's a bit boring watching people take panels off a car. I took the screw out of here and then the 2 out the bottom. So this is the moment of truth. We're going to have a little look now to see what it looks like underneath. So what the heck is that? Laser Elite. I have not got a clue what that is for. There's a little button to it, a little red button. I don't know if you can see that just there. Laser Elite. You guys might be able to shed some more light on that. I haven't got a clue. I'm certainly not going to disconnect anything. There's also another little button, another little cable that goes into this trim, and just like a switch button just here. I don't know whether that's on or off or what. Very strange. So I'll probably grab Lee, see what he thinks to that.
Alright, so what have you found?
So what do you reckon to this?
What is it?
So I found this Laser Elite. I didn't have a clue what that means. So I've googled it. Elite, Laser Elite laser jammer radar detector.
I like the sound of that. Speed you go.
Sounds a bit illegal.
Yeah, probably.
Which explains the button that we didn't know what did. That little switch thing in the trim. There.
So we found this yesterday. Well, you found it yesterday, and we were like, "What the hell's that?" And
I noticed it was coming up with you know that parking light fault.
Oh yeah.
When we flicked that.
Ah, right.
So I wonder what that. I don't know if it's got anything to do with that.
Yeah.
But where's the actual? What jams it? I don't understand. Where's the laser?
Maybe I don't know. So we had a parking thing sensor fault come up here or something like that. So we didn't think anything of it. We checked the lights and it was all fine. And then, but if anyone knows how the hell that works, then give us a shout, because
we want to know.
We want to know if we're running something highly illegal.
Trim's out the way now, and the actual bit that I need to change is tucked right the way under here. And there's two little clips, and then apparently it just twists out, and this is what we needed to replace, and that has seen better days, I think. Bit on the end, I think it's supposed to come out quite far, but then it sticks. Knackered. So luckily we've got another one of these, which I got for 17 quid. So let's see how that works out. So here's the replacement switch, and you can see straight away it's so much better. The spring on it is a lot better. So I'm gonna put this in, connect it up. Fingers crossed this solves our issue just like that. Reconnect the jack. So I don't know if you can see that all that well. But now the new switch is in, and it was fairly easy to do that, to be honest with you. I think the hardest bit's going to be getting this trim back into position properly. So let's see how we get on.
You've actually put the switch in.
Yeah,
the job you started,
off, mate,
right?
yeah.
So because I've been upstairs. Like,
see this? This is manual labour. That's what this
that.
is. I'm not used to it. So I'm going to try and sort of gather all that shit up there, and then hopefully this quite easily, he says, that goes in there, thus.
What a fit.
There you go.
Perfect.
Does that look
it's
right?
a bit low there. It's a bit low. Needs to come up. That's it. Yeah. I presume there's a screw there to go in. This is it. Driveway fixes.
It's only perfect, but it'll have to do.
Because we can't afford 200 quid for the fix.
No, well this is what I can't get my head around. I mean, we don't know if it's actually fixed it yet, but did you have a go with the old one? Look at that. It's absolutely fucked. Whereas the new one's literally just like a dead free spring.
Oh, right, okay.
Whereas that is like...
Well, to be fair then, it needed replacing, surely.
Yeah.
So even if it doesn't fix the problem, that doesn't look very good anyway.
Well, that was knackered.
So, have you fixed the switch?
Well, we're going to find out, aren't we? Hopefully.
You're not confident though, are you?
No, I'm not, because I've already revved the car. That sounded good.
Let's have a look. I like the look on your face. Do that face again.
That's a lot better.
Right, so we know from experience the car just hangs, the revs hang up. So let's see what happens. Don't go crazy, because the camera will go all over the place. You know what you're like at driving.
So usually now...
Yes.
Oh my
better.
goodness me.
You just saved us £183.
I haven't. I've not sent you my bill yet.
Got GoPros in the window, they're not even on. They're just in the way. Right, let's see what it does at a bit of speeds.
Oh my god, the difference is... I mean, this... I can't even explain to you how annoying that when you were changing gear, it sounded like you were just keeping your foot on the accelerator. The difference is like...
Oh my god. It sounds like a proper car again. Instead of you can't change gear. Oh, I can't change gear.
I still can't change gear, but it sounds a little bit better. Get in.
Yes.
Yeah, so anybody who, you know, engine swaps, supercharger fitting, realising what
anything
needs...
simple.
Yeah, you know, just, yeah, of course it is. If you need your gearbox refurbing, piece of piss, I can box that off, no problem.
It's like it's got more power as well. But when you change gear, before, when you took your foot off the clutch and changed gear, you used to sort of like judder back.
Yeah.
Because it was hanging the revs up in the air, so it wasn't the most comfortable of drives before, but that, for the sake of, what, 17, well, how much was it? £17. It's completely transformed the car, completely transformed it to the point of it's actually enjoyable to drive now. It feels like, you know, before I wasn't that bothered about driving it after, because this fault has sort of like, it's sort of like got worse, hasn't it? You know,
it's just got more and more annoying.
Well, that, yeah, that's really good. So Ben's fixed it, saved us near the best part of 200 quid. So that's that done. Car's driving a lot better. We're going to get it in awesome GTI tomorrow. Rolling road BHP check, so that'll be interesting. Check back for that one. That should be on 24 hours after this video, and not the most exciting, but
He did say short. He said it's going to keep it short.
a short ending. This is a short ending. I've got to prep the next video because you want people to watch, don't you? So anyway, forget him. Ignore him. He's alright. So anyway, don't like him, like the channel, because he's a knobhead.
He's
And
just
subscribe.
a hangry bastard now.
And subscribe and like if you can actually hear me with all the wind noise, and see you on the next video if he's actually in it.
You're
It's off
sacked.
to, he can go off to someone else's channel.
I can box it off myself now anyway. Easy peasy. Thanks guys.
Bye.
Until you've been in again.
Stop moaning.
I want to be a real boy.
Grow some legs.
Right, parking light fault again.
Well, I'm not driving it. I don't care. See you later. Bye.
Ta-ra.